Welcome back, everybody. In today's video we're going to be getting the bike ready to go on a road trip. Stay tuned. I got the hard shell bags on there and you really can't fit anything in them, so that's why we're going to be doing this video today. We're going to be changing these bags for the Leather Pros so you can fit more stuff. I also got new floorboards, mini floorboards. I'm going to change the MX pegs for more comfort. Stay tuned for that unboxing. And I got another unboxing as well. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for all the support. Let's change these bags. So we're still trying to take out the bags. This is why I hate putting them on and taking them off. That's why I like the Leather Pros too. They're so easy to put on and off because these are, as you guys saw, has like 5 screws that holds on the actual bag and then 2 on the frame, which is not that hard to take off, but hardest part is just to going through every single little bolt. But we got one off. I'm not gonna board you with the other side, so we're just gonna finish off taking off the bag and then we'll get back on putting the Leather Pros. Alright, so before we take off the actual rack for the bag, we're gonna undo our detachable sissy bar. It's that easy, one hand. So now we're able to take off the rack. Alright guys, check her out. Took off the hard shell bags, put on the Leather Pros. I also changed the sissy bar because we're gonna tie down our thrashing duffel bag. So we're gonna stand it up on here and then tie it around. If you guys haven't seen that video where I did a video on the sissy bar here, go check it out. We'll link it up here somewhere. But yeah, check out the bags. I always like these bags, but the hard shell bags give it a whole different look. But we need more space for the trip that we're going on to. Yes, another trip. We just got back from Chicago. Now we're going to Vegas for a wedding. Make a checklist. Make sure you guys got all right tires for the road. Brakes. Make sure brakes are good. And obviously you don't want to do this to the last minute. Also, if you need an oil change, do an oil change before a road trip or a long ride. Check your rotors, check your battery, make sure you take extra tools, you know, stuff like that. You just don't want to go with the basic stuff of carrying your stuff thinking your motorcycle is good. This bike's pretty new. I didn't do a vlog on this, but I ended up getting new tires, rear and the front. I went with the Shinko's 777s. And they're pretty good. So far so good. Sorry I didn't do a video on that, but that's a surprise that you guys don't know. This is a quick how to get ready, or how do we get ready for a road trip. Alright guys, today's quick video we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I'll be changing the foot pegs from Bunkings. I like them a lot, but I just feel like I need a wider one for more support, to be more relaxed on the road, especially for long road trips or just long rides. So I'm gonna be changing these. Let me show you guys which ones I got. I know if you guys are OG to the channel, you guys would see the mini floorboards that I already came with. I got rid of those, but I really like these from Imzz Elite. These are the mini floorboards. I think they're called, I'll put the name down below. Look at this. Sick. So it's gonna give you more support of your foot. Look how wide this is. It's a little bit better. Be more relaxed on the road. So let's install them really quick. One screw right here, the nut on the back. Take that off and install these. This one's for the other side. Alright guys, let me know if you guys were expecting that unboxing. And I'll give you, I did do an install video of this, the first install, to the dyno was this, and was it the one finger clutch lever and brake lever. Let me know if you guys want a review. Comment down below if you guys want a review on these, and I'll make a separate video on that. But for now, let's get these bad boys on. So all you gotta do is just wiggle this thing out, and don't lose that washer because you might need it. Sorry, the lighting kind of sucks. I'm not trying to grab it too hard because this thing will stack. So you get your washer and you grab your new peg or floorboard. You want to add this washer on there. Bam. I'm trying to do all this one hand. So it almost fits without it, but it almost feels like it's gonna need it. So you definitely wanna have it on there. So what you gotta do, this is the trick, you gotta put it backwards. So when you do install it, it gives you a stop. These feel better, they're not as sharp as the other ones. So yeah, you probably can't even see anything. Yeah, they look nice. Stand out a lot. Alright guys, same vlog, different day. I just threw on the other side. Maybe you want to leave it a little bit loose, but it's on there. Let me know what you guys think. These are the Imzz Elite mini floorboard. I guess they're called the shin splitters. I got them in that gold kind of color. Little accents of gold. I think that's about it with the gold. I'm not gonna overdo it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna also throw that shifter lever back on there, and it's always good to take it off so you have enough space to work with, and then readjust it to where your foot goes. Either you're wearing boots or your shoes, regular tennis shoes. But that's gonna be it for the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next one. Peace.